Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainal Iman Haris.
My name is Muhammad Taqul Haizra bin Muhammad Mehra, and my metric number is 180579.
Hello, my name is Azwan. My matrix number 180964.
And my name is Afiq bin Zakaria, matric number 179349.
My name is Muhammad Zawawi bin Rahman, matric number 177186.
My name Anissa Nazira binti Zulkifli. My matric number is 179823.
Okay, we're from Group 12 for Lex After 5. We gathered today to discuss about our second interview video. Okay, we know that there are 3 respondents, right?
4.
Four respondents for the second interview video. So today we're gonna reflect about the interview video, about the second interview video.
First, let me explain.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So, Afi and I have interviewed 4 respondents, and basically 4 respondents we ask same question. So we have 2 Malay and 2 Chinese. For first respondent, Chinese, and they play what they are going after 5. They play badminton, and other than that, if they don't play badminton, they kidnap and study sometimes, and in weekend they like to hang out with their friend. And for the second respondent, the Malay, they also play badminton at 5 PM after 5 PM, and other than playing badminton, they also playing computer game and study, and in weekend they also playing computer game. So for the third venue,
Actually we divide the 4 person into 2 types of activity that we want to focus. First, more on the active activity, for such as that play badminton after 5. And for our third and fourth respondent, we focus more on basic, or we play that after 5 they just spend their leisure time in the room, such as play computer games and also ni. But the respondents still the same. First of our respondent is Kenny, the Chinese boy, and also Yo, the Malay boy. So we just want to know what they're doing, and they just said that after 5 they are not what I say, that they are not more likely just want to sit at their room, and also just spend their leisure time in the room.
Are they doing anything else besides playing computer game?
I think they have activity like jogging, but in morning. They have a reason that us in morning they feel fresh after wake up from sleep, and also weather is so cool. So that's maybe the reason to activity in the morning.
So they did sport activity during morning, not the after 5.
They more prefer on the morning.
The fourth respondent.
You think Azwan is the best way to make us healthy or not?
Yeah, I think the morning activities have fresh air, so also can get some benefit from it. So other than that, the Chinese one is playing badminton, right? And the second correspondent have playing games and nap in their room. So every day they do the same activities, or what?
It depends. Sometimes they study if they have exam or test, but most likely they said that they just sit on the room, just whether taking a nap or playing computer games.
they don't do talk at room or not something like that, or they just sleep, take nap.
But from the answer, we just get we just assume that they are a very passive person. They just they don't want to hang out with friends or do other activities as jogging and other
They
things.
don't want to be social.
Make us know that person take what course, because like agriculture student that very tired, that's why they don't do sport activity at the evening, right?
Yeah.
So what's the course they take?
Actually, we correspondent two in stay in KTZ, and they are from Faculty of Forestry. Forestry. I remember one thing that Chinese the respondent said if they have class at the back, in this time they have more class after 5.
Oh,
So they don't like to do jogging or anything.
They don't have time after that.
So they just
how about you?
Do you have any question? Do you have anything that you want to say about the second interview?
I think playing game is the best, because I think it can release our tension after no after we study. Do you all play video game? No.
Yes, but
Sometimes.
but not like that person every evening. So how about yours?
Do you have anything to say about the second interview?
That 4% is very. We can compare that that 2% is very active and that 2% very passive, right? So it's more likely that this university have many person that
Very type of.
very type of person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is your opinion?
I think the responder 1 and 2 as Chinese, the Chinese race is did the good activities, then they can more healthy rather than the person that playing games and net. So they can that kinds of activities more yeah man, have a good activity lah. How about you, Pong?
So that's a quite interesting fact that the one of the respondents said that they don't do anything for after class because they have class, right? So it's more likely we can suggest to UPN to not disturb student, right, after 5, so that they can do active activity in the evening. You agree with us?
Yes, I agree.
What
Yes.
you want to say is activities such as playing video game for this respondent are good because they can conserve their energy for night class.
No, I just say that the UPN need to remove the class after 5 because they say that they cannot do anything because they have class after 5. So that UPN need to remove the class after 5 so that the person can do active activity for their evening. Not just playing game. Just playing.
I think that what is meant by Pong is that our university need to make a proper time management for the students to manage their time after 5, or we can suggest to our MPP or our or others society that we can say that students need rest and also need their times to balance or stabilize their energy back after a full day from 8 to 5 the class.
Even some research say that study the whole day is not good for mind. So we all need rest also besides sleep.
student rest, right?
But what I'm about my opinion, the interview video. For me, four of them they give the good response. Also, the activity also. Yes, we all know that playing video games is really common for the boys, but not everyone has same taste to do other things. Okay, you understand? It means not after 5 they want to jogging, they want to play badminton like the first, second respondent, which is what I want to say is the third and the fourth activities. It's good lah. It's good. But I want to ask, besides, do you guys ask them anything? I mean, besides they're doing after 5?
We also ask them about during weekends. What other things that we do after 5? But the answer is, I think, it's generally the same. They just said they hang out with friends at the mines, or also at
all four of them.
Okay. And I think that the four respondents is honest with their answer and give their very good answer to us, so that we can compare between four of them. So any more to add?
Do you have any problem for this interview or something like that disturb your interview? That we can improve
some obstacles.
The cooperation from them to be interviewed. But we just present them as hard as we can. So lastly we can get them to interview. So I think we have reached to our main in our video. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Kita